Hello students, today we are going to see the problem. It's an important problem in the design of electrical apparatus. So design of transformer. In this design of transformer, it's a basic problem and it is a direct problem. Determine the dimension of core and window for a 5 kVA 50 Hz. So we must find the 50 Hz single phase core type transformer. Here the word determine the dimension. This can be varied. Identify the dimension or overall dimension. The problem is same. A single phase core type transformer. Here we have single phase core type transformer. That's why you remember the single phase formula. A rectangular core is used with long side. Rectangular core. The word did not give the square core. It is a rectangular core. That means length and width is different. So that here a rectangular core is used with long side twice as long as short side. That means long side is 2 centimeter, means short side is 1 centimeter. The window height is 3 times the width of the voltage per turns. The window height is 3 times the width. The window height is 3 times the width. The voltage per turn is 1.8 volt. Then space factor, that is kW, is 0.2. Then del is equal to 1.8 ampere per millimeter square. Then Bm is equal to 1 Weber per meter square. Here we must carefully notice this value, ampere per millimeter square. So here we need to identify the AI and AW. So before we are going to solve the problem, first clearly write the given data. While you clearly write the given data, the reviewer have the idea you are well known in solving problem. So write the given data. Q, that is given in the question, 5 kVA. Frequency 50 Hz, because you must notice that some cases it may be 60 Hz. Height of the window 3 times the width of the window. Then ET, terminal voltage, is equal to 1.8 volt. Bm is equal to 1 Weber per meter square. It is a core type transformer. Del is equal to 1.8 ampere per millimeter square. We must convert into meter square. In normal conversion, when you convert millimeter into meter, we need to multiply into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here we have the squared value. That's why we need, in normal time we can write into 10 to the power of minus 6. Here it is present in denominator. It is not present in the numerator. It is present in denominator. That's why while you multiply in the normal term, del is equal to 1.8 into 1 divided by 10 power 6, that is conversion into 10 power minus 6, that is converted into 10 power 6. This is a basic conversion, you may know, but some students may have confusion on that. So del is equal to 1.8 into 10 power 6 ampere per meter square. Then Here we have the G is A is equal to, this is A is equal to 2B. That means the rectangle value. Then winding factor Kw. It is a rectangle core. So this is all in the given data. Let me move to the solution. Here let me take, this is a core of the transformer. This is a width, that is a window area. The inner area is window area. The outer is the height and width. Here it is a rectangle. This is taken as A and this is taken as B. So A is equal to 2B, that is given in the question. Here the window area is the inner part. It is used to bind the winding. Here it is a height of the window. Here it is a width of the window. Then this is called yoke. That is not included in the question. Let me take EMF per turn. That is taken as ET is equal to 4.44 F pi m. We did not have the pi m value, so we can find by using this formula. So pi m is equal to ET divided by 4.44 into 50. Let me write, value of ET is 1.8 divided by 4.44 into 50. We get the value of 0.0081 Weber. Here we have, after the point we can take the 3 value, that is enough for calculation, but after the point we have the 0, means we need to take another one value, that is best for the calculation. Then net core area, this is one solution. AI is equal to pi m divided by Vm. We have the pi m value, that is 0.0081 divided by 1. We can get the same value, 0.0081 meter square. So cross core area AGI is equal to AI divided by 0.9. This is for rectangle value, is equal to 0.0081 divided by 0.9. We get 0.009 meter square. Then we move to cross section of the core is rectangle. Hence area is equal to length into breadth. So AGI is equal to A into B. Let me write, A is equal to 2B, that is given in the question. So AGI is equal to, let me take A is equal to 2B, that is substitute here 2B into B. We get 2B squared. So B squared is equal to AGI divided by 2. So then B is equal to whole square root of AGI, that is this is capital A, AGI divided by 2. The value of AGI is 0.09 divided by 2. We get 0.067 meter. We identify the B value. Now from this, A is equal to 2B. Just multiply 2 into 0.067. So we get the value of A. The dimension of the, next we move to the dimension of the core A into B is equal to 0.134 into 0.067. The kVA rating of single phase transformer, that can be written as Q. This is a single phase transformer. This is a formula for finding KVA. Q is equal to 2.22 F BM. We have the BM value, frequency value, AI value, and KW, that is winding factor, but we do not have the AW. We have the del value. By using this formula, we can identify the AW because we have the Q value too. So AW is equal to 5, that is a Q value divided by 2.22 into frequency 50 Hertz into BM 1 into A 0.0081 into window space factor 0.2 into del value 1.8 into 10 to the power of 6. The whole term we need to identify in the KVA, so into 10 to the power of minus 3. Now we identify the AW value. AW is equal to 0.0154 meter square. So we identify the AW. So window area, that is we lastly identify AW, that is window area. So window area AW is equal to height of the window into width of the window. So height of the window is equal to 3 into width of the window. Let me substitute in this. AW is equal to 3 width of the window into width of the window. So we get AW is equal to 3 width of the window square. So we require width of the window is equal to whole square root of AW divided by 3. Lastly we identify the AW value. Substitute this. Width of the window is equal to whole square root of 0.0154 divided by 3 is equal to 0.0716 meter. So we identify the width of the window. Then height of the window. So height of the window is equal to 3 into width of the window, that is 3 times the width of the window. So 0.0716 into 3 is equal to 0.2148 meter. So we get all the result. Now segregate this, the result. Let me write the subheading result or output, anything. So net core area AI is equal to 0.0081 meter square. Dimension of core A into B, let me write 0.134 into 0.67 meter. Window area AW is equal to 0.0154 meter square. Dimension of window is equal to height of the window into width of the window is equal to 0.2148 into 0.00716 meter. KVA rating of the machine, that is given in the problem. It is also written in the result. Thank you students. Thank you for watching.